Okay, welcome to Playdoh Madness episode 4. It's almost a season finale in like 2 episodes. And we are in season 2 of Playdoh Madness. We're gonna finish. We're almost gonna finish. So I'm so happy. And we have a new character. Thank you. Oh, guys. What do I throw? Okay. Well. We have a new character called We have a new character that we unlocked. We know that. She's here. Yeah. I just came in and said if I could ask this job. They said, do I have papers? I'm like, yes, and yes. And I let me over here. And this is like the little cave to go to the factory, and we're guarding it. We have guns on our back. Okay, what? Yeah, Playdoh Madness. And we're waiting for people to come. Hey guys, can I buy a pack of Playdoh Madness? Yes. Okay, well here's the money. Yes, we have more money. Can I? Yes. Hey Yoshi. Hi Mario. Can I work here? Yes, I'll just leave Playdoh Madness right here. And I'll take it at the end of the day when my work's time. Okay, Mario, what are we doing? We're guarding the Playdoh Madness store. Because they might steal it again. Last time it was a super steal. My God! They steal the store! And it's Bowser Jr.! No worries. Never come back in our store again! No, Bowser Jr.'s allowed! Damn it.
Why go to the room, Dika? Why go to the room?
Because I don't want to. I want to stay right here. Okay. Luigi. What do you want? Yeah, I was asking if I could use your phone. I need to call my lawyer. For what? He needs to check on some files and stuff. Okay. Can you check on the file of that? Yeah, sure. Okay, thank you. Okay. Ha. I tricked that guy. I told him. Which dolls? Those ones right there? We are putting it.
The big one first.
Okay. Ready? Set. Go.
Give them to me, don't throw them.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with them. Okay, I have like a special order to do. Okay.
You have to take those glasses and I don't do a with it.
Okay. Okay.
Put them in that bag.
Okay. Sorry for disturbing the video, but we had to do something. Okay. Oh, yes. The owners blacked out. Now I'm gonna steal all the Playdoh madness with my friend Cooper's tree. Keep it! Get it! Go ahead! Steal it! Hurry up! Run for it! Oh, what the? The only lightsaber! Oh my god, I hate you! Yes, the Playdoh madness is safe and sound because of me. I didn't have a lightsaber all the time right there. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a lightsaber in the pen. That's why that Luigi was trying to, the robot Luigi tried to get us. We will get the Playdoh madness. Not right now. At the end. He means the end of the series, but I don't think so.
You're gonna go through the oil.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Which oh yeah?
The one that I'm left to watch.
Oh god. Okay, but there's only gonna be 2 more episodes and they don't have any plan. Dun 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 dun. Ha ha ha. Blowing up and end a series of Playdoh madness. Oh, what the hell was that? Oh, I think it was nothing. It just you never heard it? Yeah. I just heard something say blow up in at the end of the series of Playdoh madness. Oh, well, this was. The other one's gonna be short, and then also the finale is gonna be long, about like to 10. So bye. See you on the next episode.